Peace be unto you, everyone. It is Safe Jamil as usual. Our topic today is more important, in which majority of the people don't care about it, or maybe I can say they think it's not important to their children. It is true that our children are the gift from our Lord, to love them and to take care of them, to support them. God has blessed us with them to take care of their responsibilities. But there is something to look about. When we believe that giving them food and both clothes are the only duties to do for them, definitely I can say we are wrong. We need to have serious consideration. We need to have serious consideration and guidance on our child's education and behaviors, in which we can call this as the more frontliner or primary assignment for us. Nevertheless, discussing them on the knowledge they're supposed to have, which will make them be beneficial people and the game changers in the future. Of course, this persuades them the importance of knowledge and the danger of living without education. By sitting with them, sat with them, heard from them, support them on the knowledge they insisted to do. Despite the world has believed that every knowledge is important. Let me repeat it again. The world has believed that every knowledge is important, but we need to awareness them. We need to awareness our child by prioritizing the knowledge, also monitoring them still on the knowledge, maybe by even going to their school and investigate about their activities in the school while they don't know. This will give more courage, confidence, and focusing a lot if they found that their parent ears are always to them, since they can even go to their school and check in what they are doing, and this gives more stability to every parent who plan these strategies and work on it to their children. Also, in the case of behavior, which is more important, Meanwhile, we live in the world whereby so many bullshit is devastated our children's behavior. The implications of what we are saying, what we are seeing in this current time are so deceptions, wrongs such as wickedness, disaster, sadism, ego, fraud, bankrupt, foreclosure, being happen, which have been governed due to the absence of behaviors. Maintenance our children's good behavior is the duties of all the parents. Both males and females. Let me repeat it again. Maintenance of our children's good behavior is the duties of all of us. Is the duty of all the parents, both males and females. Whom are they supposed to go and who are they supposed to love? Is on our effort to persist and make sure that we do not let them love people or have influence with them, or even to feel that they like some famous or celebrities, which by any means will not benefit their life. Will not benefit from their life. In part, will even destroy their character. Our children have a sharp brain that whatever we decide to put on their heads, they can carry it. So leaving them alone is a dangerous problem, in which a moral person will betray them and go with their life in terms of changing their habits, their dressing, and even their education. So we should take good note of that. Let the sun shine. Let the children have a better tomorrow from your. Let the children use their experience, use their talents. Let us show our children our enthusiasm, our love and care, our dedication, our support, our guidance. May we wish to have a decent child in the future. Greetings, greetings, greetings and salutation to parents whom are taking good responsibility and cares to their children. Thanks for watching.